Hi guys, it's Spike here. Today I thought I'd unbox and review these little bad boys. These are the Edifier TWS1 Bluetooth earbuds. I should just point out that I've not been asked by Edifier to review these, and I've not been paid by Edifier to review these. These are purely just a product I can obtain and I sell, and I really quite like them, so I thought I'd quite like to show you guys how they all work and what they look like. So they come in a nice little neat box. Down the side is the basic information about what they do. So they're Bluetooth 5, and they've got something called Qualcomm aptX technology. I've got to say the sound quality is fantastic in these. It tells you about the playback time. So the earbuds themselves have an 8-hour charge time or run time. So they run for 8 hours. The case they come in then gives you an additional 32 hours of charging. So potentially, I guess you've got a total of 40 hours playback over a period. They're nice, easy touch control. They're quite small, as you'll see in a short while. I believe they're sort of splash protected, water, but they're not actually waterproof, I don't believe. So let's open them up, and I'll show you what you get inside the box. Okay. As I say, these ones these have already been opened before, because these are my my earbuds. I've been using them for a few weeks, and I've got to say they're really fantastic. So this is the earbuds and the charger. That's the main component. I'll just show you the other few bits that you get in the box before we move on to those. So you get your charging cable, little instruction booklet, as always. And different size earbuds. So you get 3 different types. I've got to say the type that was already fitted were fine for me. So let's just move the boxes out of the way and bring back the buds themselves. So the buds come in a little black box with Edifier etched on the top. Very neat. The charge port on the back. So essentially what these do is you carry the little box around in your pocket or in your bag. And these keep the headphones constantly charged up to full charge. As I mentioned, the earbuds themselves should have a playback time of about 8 hours, and then the actual box itself will give you a charging amount of 32 hours. So every time you open these up and take them out, the earbuds should be fully charged. You can see they're neatly stored inside. I think most earbuds work the same way these days. They're magnetically held in. So as you turn them upside down, they don't fall out. And they're held in quite firmly with the magnet. They're not too bad though. You pluck them out. As soon as you pull them out of the charging box, they're turned on. They're ready to go. These ones have been charged with these ones are already paired with my phone, obviously. When I first got them out, they were already in pairing mode, so pairing up with my phone was really easy. Let's just have a look at one of the buds. You can see it's marked with left and right. You can see it's just a tiny little shape, really. It fits inside the ear really nicely, just like a hearing aid, I suppose. Basically the control is on the back here. So this is a touch-sensitive part, and it's on both earbuds, so you can control them from either side. A single tap will take you between play and pause. A double tap will move you on to the next song, and a treble tap will take you back a song. As I say, they fit nicely inside the ear. Really sound cancelling. You don't get the, you don't hear a great deal of outdoor noise. And as I say, they turn on as soon as you take them out of the box. As soon as you're, as soon as you finish using them for that particular playing time, maybe you've been out for a run or you've been shopping, that's when I use mine. You pop them in, as I say, they snap in quite nicely. The box tells you whether the left and right go as well, just in case. And then they're charging up, ready to go. So they are the TWS1 Edifier earbuds. They're available from me. If you want a pair, give us a shout. They're available in white as well. Absolutely superb. So yes, I'll give you just a quick run through the features just one more time, just so you know. So they've got a long playback. They've got 8 hours per charge. That's the earbuds themselves, and then the box gives you an extra 32 hours. It's nice and easy to fit in anywhere. It fits in my pocket very nicely. A small handbag, whatever, they'll certainly fit in there. They've got noise reduction. They have got a microphone on them as well, surprisingly. I didn't think they had, but they have. So that if your phone rings while you're out and about, you can instantly take the call and chat away without having to remove the earbuds. They're Bluetooth 5, and they've got the Qualcomm aptX technology. I'm not sure what that means, but certainly the sound quality on these is absolutely superb. They feel solid, they feel nice. There's no kind of moving parts on them. There's no buttons or anything to break off. So there we go. Quite easy, quite nice. And give me a call when you want your set. And I'll see you again soon.